Having spent more than 12 years as an expert in the field of pensions and investment, I've seen firsthand how economic challenges, like those often felt around Easter, can derail retirement plans. Whether it's inflation, market volatility, or unexpected expenses, many people struggle to protect their long-term wealth. But the good news is that data-driven strategies can help you navigate these hurdles, whether you're in Africa or the USA. Let's break down the problem and explore tailored solutions for both regions. So what's the problem? Financial uncertainty threatening retirement. Seasons like Christmas, Easter often brings financial stress, holiday spending, school fees, and rising costs strain budgets. For retirees or those planning retirement, this can be particularly challenging. In Africa, currency fluctuations, limited access to formal pension systems, and reliance on informal savings make long-term wealth building difficult. Meanwhile, in the USA, market downturns, rising healthcare costs, and inflation erode 401ks and Social Security benefits. Without a smart, data-backed plan, many risk outliving their savings. And what is the solution? Data-driven retirement planning. African savers can leverage mobile savings and investment apps like Cowrywise in Nigeria or Mzansi Wealth in South Africa, which use algorithms to automate savings and invest in low-risk assets. Tracking spending habits through these apps can help identify surplus cash that can be redirected toward retirement contributions. Another key strategy is diversifying into dollar-based or stable assets to protect against local currency volatility. Historically, dollar-denominated assets like Eurobonds or diaspora ETFs have outperformed in high-inflation African economies. Additionally, joining a SACCO or cooperative pension plan, such as those popular in Kenya, offers structured, community-backed savings with better returns than traditional banks. In the USA, optimizing Social Security with AI-powered tools like Social Security timing can help determine the best age to claim benefits, as delaying can increase payouts by 8% annually. Instead of rigidly following the 4% rule, retirees can adopt a dynamic withdrawal strategy using tools like Monte Carlo simulations to adjust spending based on market performance. Data shows this approach helps preserve 25% more wealth during downturns. Investing in low-cost index funds, such as the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, minimizes fees, while tax-efficient accounts like Roth IRAs shield growth from future taxes. First, take 10 minutes to audit your current savings. If you're in Africa, review your mobile money statements or SACCO balances. In the USA, check your 401k or IRA performance using tools like Personal Capital. Next, spend another 10 minutes setting one data-backed goal. For African savers, this could mean committing to investing 10% of your Christmas or Easter bonus in a USD-denominated ETF. For Americans, it might involve increasing 401k contributions to maximize employer matches. Finally, use the last 10 minutes to automate your next steps. In Africa, set up an auto debit on an app like Cowrywise for monthly pension savings. In the USA, schedule a Roth IRA contribution through your brokerage account. Financial troubles don't have to ruin your retirement. By using data, not guesswork, you can build resilience across any economy. Start small, stay consistent, and let the numbers guide you to security. Want a personalized plan? Drop your biggest retirement challenge below. I'll help solve it. Did you find the video useful? Like, follow and share the page for more video content.